But it's not going to get any better than this. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. My shirt is not where it's supposed to be. So let's just get into the video. So welcome back. Today's video that I have for you, I was like, I'm lost. Like, I am so lost this week. Like, I don't know who I am, what I'm doing with my life, but I'm doing this. So we are back today with day 3 of February 2019 Box Week. If you're brand new YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. This is the highest level of entertainment you will ever receive from me. So just rest assured that it's not going to get any better than this. So if you want to be a part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. So we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so today we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Last month, Allure like slayed my existence. We got like $80 facial oil in there. We got all kinds of crazy stuff. This year, Allure has completely rebranded themselves. So really quickly, I'm gonna let you guys know we're gonna be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which has been getting full. Like seriously, this box is full of goodies already. So we're probably gonna be giving that away at the end of this month's box week. I will post a video when it comes time for that, so you don't have to worry about it. Anyways, so Allure's $15 per month. I will have a referral code down below if you want to check it out for yourself. It is curated by the people who make Allure magazine. Like I was saying, they have kind of rebranded it, so to speak, this year. I'm really loving how Allure has, like, the last month was amazing, so I'm hoping that this month is also amazing. Because like last year it was weird, like we'd have like a really good month and we'd have an okay month, we'd have some not great months, but so far for like the last like few months, Allure has consistently been a phenomenal subscription box, and if they keep up like what they did last month, they might come out to be one of the best value subscription boxes in the subscription market. Okay, so on the top we have this Allure Beauty Box booklet. This will tell me about all the items inside. It'll give you information about them, as well as it will basically just like tell you like what stuff is worth, the value of it, all that. Okay, so this month, ooh, we have a sexy black bag. So last month it was all red. This one is like a sexy black one. I like this. Like, dude, like this is really, really cute. Also, this is really good for fitting face masks inside, especially if you're traveling. You can put face masks in here. So just a little FYI about these little new Allure bags that they're handing out. All right, so right off the top we have Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. All right, so I'm gonna open this up and see what colors we are working with today. See if this is something that I don't already have. If it's colors that I do have, I definitely will be putting this into the stockpile giveaway because I always like hooking you guys up with stuff, especially like eyeshadows. Ooh, these are pretty. These are some pretty colors, family. I want to get this open. All right, look at that. Look at how pretty those are. So I actually have eyeshadows that are already like in these shades, so I'm going to be putting this right into the stockpile giveaway. I think that is phenomenal. I love those colors. They're very sultry and sexy and pretty, so I like that. All right, the next item that we have is Mamande Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Okay, Rose, looks like this is an oil cleansing foam. Okay, so this is an oil cleansing like facial cleanser. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get it to focus in. It's not really doing it. Okay, there you go. In Rose, I'm gonna smell it, but I'm definitely gonna put this in the giveaway box. I don't really need, ooh, that smells really pretty. I don't actually need any facial cleanser right now, but this smells delightful. It's an oil cleanser, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box in the fragrance of Rose. Yeah, all right, next item that we have is Laritzi Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Bear. So I'm guessing it is a nude lip pencil. Let me get this open here so we can see what we got here. So far, we're getting a lot of great items that I'm putting all of into the giveaway box. Because I'm getting stuff that like I already kind of have, and I'm always, you know, I'm big on that. Like if I already have it, I don't need to like keep it for myself. Like why not share it with somebody else? So all right, it's definitely like in a nude shade right there. I don't use lip liner, so I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box as well. So somebody's gonna get a nude lip liner in the shade Bear from Laritzi Cosmetics. Awesome. All right, let's keep going here. We got like so many, we've gotten good items. I'm happy with it. It's just items that like I don't actually need right now. Next thing that we have is Mile High Club Wander Beauty Volume and Length Mascara. Ooh, okay, I've never actually tried a mascara from Wander Beauty. I want to open this up to see what the applicator looks like. Ooh, that actually looks really nice. I'm gonna keep this. So we got mascara last night from Better Than Sex Mascara, and I told you guys I've needed mascara, and so I think I've talked about this before on my channel, probably in a different video, but when I do my mascara, I actually always apply 2 different types. I like to do one with an applicator like this to kind of lengthen and extend, and then I like to do one that's going to give me fullness, like the Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced, to kind of fill it out. So this actually worked perfectly. Like, I needed mascara. I got something I needed. Yay! Next thing that we have is, ooh, this is a makeup brush. This is a pretty gold makeup brush. I'm not seeing the brand. All right, hold on. I think I see it. It is Triad Eye from Moda Cosmetics. So this was actually the same brand brush that we got in the Ipsy box this month. I'm going to put this into the giveaway box. I don't actually need any eyeshadow brushes right now, so it's going to go right into there. Next item that we have is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks, the Insta-Tint Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel. Ooh, I could actually use this. This is a tinted brow gel. I usually use clear brow gel. This is a brown tinted brow gel, so I'm interested to see how this will affect like my brow game. The other thought with something like this is that, oh, this was not what I thought it was going to be. This is really interesting. The applicator kind of came out a little bit crooked, so that was really interesting. So I'm definitely interested to see how this works. Tinted brow gel. I feel like this might be good on a day when I want to do like a light to no makeup day. So we have that. And then finally, we have Mamande Flower Lab Essence Rose Face Mask. All right, cool. We got a face mask too. And you guys know that I've been restocking my face mask box because apparently I feel like it's getting low, even though we just saw the video where Drew showed how many face masks she actually has. So we're gonna have to do a, you know, some sort of support group for that at a different time, a different video. But anyways, overall, I feel like this was an amazing value. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here. Actually 7 items. We got like 7 items last month too, so we got 7 items. I feel like Allure is seriously just like, I'm telling you, if they keep this up, they're gonna blow away any kind of subscription service competition out there. The only one that's gonna give them a serious run for the money is gonna be BoxyCharm. So to recap, we got the Mamande Petal, or Mamande, I don't know how to say it, Petal Spa Oil to Foam Rose Oil Cleanser right here. That's going into the giveaway box. We got the Mamande Flower Lab Essence Rose Mask, which I'm going to be keeping. We got the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Brow Tint Brow Gel right here. I'm going to be keeping that to try it out and see how it works. We got the eyeshadow brush, the gold one from Moda Cosmetics. I'm going to be putting that in the giveaway box as well. We got the lip pencil in the shade Bare from Larizzi Cosmetics, so a nude lip pencil, which is also going into the box. We got the Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, which is in the really sexy, like sultry eyeshadow shades. That's also going in the box. And then finally, we got the Wander Mile High Club Mascara, which I'm going to be keeping. Overall, I'm really, really happy with this. Honestly, like just keeping these 3 items, I feel like is well worth the $15 I spent for this. So yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will talk to you like tomorrow for day 4 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. That's amazing. Alright, next item that we have is, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you guys, okay, so freaking out for a second, obviously, sorry, you don't even know what I'm looking at.